Hello friends, my name is Manoj Kumar. In today's video, we'll see how we can create a container in Proxmox and how we can add a NFS mount in a container, in an LXC container. So first of all, this is my Proxmox instance. Here we have one node. So let's just create one container. We'll right click on the node, we'll click on container. Yeah. And let's just name this video VM. We make sure that we uncheck this unprivileged container. We add the password. Once the password is set, it will click next. It asking for the template. We already downloaded a Rock Linux template. We'll click on next. We'll give it around 40 GB. It is more than enough. And this thing will could look good. We'll go to the network. So let's just assign an IP. Let's just assign 79. As it is free in my environment, you have to check which IP is free in your environment. And here we go. So now it's just building the LXC container for us. Let's wait for it to complete. Okay, so our container is ready. We'll cross this one. Just the one. It's almost done. We'll power it on. As you can see, we are able to log in. The machine is powered on. Let's just enter the credential. The password that we enter while initiating this machine. So once we have done, first install the OpenSSH. So we'll run this command. It will install the OpenSSH server utility. Perfect. Now we will enable this service. Now we'll start this service. Let's just check the status. Okay. Now we need to make sure that we can log in as so we have to this config file so that we can log in as a root user. We'll do vi. So here we need to remove this permit root login. It's just a prohibited. We need to do it yes. Once done, we need to restart the service. Once restart, we need to check the status. Perfect. Now we'll open terminal. Perfect. Now we'll try to log into this machine. What was the okay, so the IP is 79. We'll log in using this 0.79. Okay, we need to do SSH -r, then this IP. So it will just remove the old entries. Now we again try yes. Enter the password. So now we are able to SSH to this machine. Now we need to install the NFS util. So we'll run this command. Just installing all the NFS utility. Now we need to enable the service. For that we run this command. We also need to start the service, and no need to worry upon that. I will document an article for the same, and that I will make sure I add in the description of that. So as you can see there, the dependency job for the NFS service field. This is because the LXC container is designed in a way. So let's see how we can fix that. So first we need to shut down this machine. So once this is shut down, let's just try to log into the log into our Proxmox server. So it will restart all the LXC container. You can see our video VM is running. We'll do pct stop 104. We'll again do the pct list. We can see our video VM is stopped. Now we need to edit the configuration file. We go to this directory etc pv LXC. We'll do ls-la. Now we need to 104 is the VM that we need. So we'll do I, and we need to add this line to our configuration file, and we need to save it. Once done, we can do pct start 104, and you can also view the file that we view the line that we added. So this is the line that I added. I will make sure I update the article beneath in the description box so it will be easy for you. So we'll see whether the VM is okay. VM is also running. We'll try to SSH. So we already installed that. Now try to start the service. The service start. Now we need to create a folder. Okay, let's just create a folder. So I have this. Okay, let's see where exactly we created the NFS share. So if we go to my TrueNAS, let me just log in over here. So if you go to the share, so this is the one NFS share that I already created. If you guys want, and in some other video, we'll talk about TrueNAS also. So we'll close this as of now. We'll open the terminal. Let's just create a file mnt TrueNAS. Okay, and we'll add this line. So this is the my NFS share IP. Then this is the path on that share. This is the path in the system where I want that to be mounted, the NFS, and these are the default values. We'll do. And now let's just reload the daemon. Now we'll do mnt and TrueNAS and do ls-la. Sometimes you can see it, like even though it is mounted, but it is not showing anything. So the another way for that will show you, like sometimes it work, but sometimes like you encounter such issue also. So you can do one thing. If still issue, you just need to log into your machine and just do a stop and start. As I stated, not every time you encounter that issue, but sometimes if you encounter that issue, you can try this. Now, let's just verify the status, and then okay, our services are running good. We'll do ls-la mnt TrueNAS. So yeah, my data is reflecting. So this is a simple video. Using this, you can mount your NFS share to your LXC container. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment. If you need further assistance, you can also reach out to me Twitter. I also added the detailed article link in the description box. You can also refer that all the commands that I use in there. So this is all about it. If you need anything, if you have any videos, suggestion or something, let me know. I will try to create around that. So yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.